Okay, so this is going to be a good one. I'm going to show you exactly what the Amazon Power Dip is and how you can harness that, how you can use that to your advantage. Because once you understand the Amazon Power Dip, you can make your product skyrocket to the first page. And I'm going to show you how we're doing it and how, if you don't know about this Amazon Power Dip and if you can't understand exactly how Amazon works in this way, your product's going to have a very low chance of success. So let's jump into the video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the Power Dip to get to the first page. So this is our product. This is a stress ball. If you haven't seen the first video I did on this, definitely watch it. There's going to be a lot of things I'm going over in this vid. Assuming that you've already watched that first video, I'll link it up in the cards here for easy access. And what I want to show you is, you can see we still have a bestseller tag. We still have a very pretty product over here, which I designed. And our current price point is up to $15.89, just to slow the sales a little bit and make it a little bit more profitable, because we're running out of stock. We only have about 1,500 of these stress balls left in stock, and you can see we're selling about 55 balls on average a day. You can see this is from the start of the month to now. This is today, so this is yesterday. We sold 58 at $839. So it's going well. Launch is going on track as expected. And what I want to show you down here is, you can remember how we relaunched this product. So we were sitting up here basically getting no sales, and then we got back into stock here. And we did 3-phase launch. So phase 1, down to 50,000 bestseller rank. Phase 2, down to the 10,000 bestseller rank, and then phase 3 down into the 2 and the 1,000 bestseller rank. Now, the key here, as you can see, we put our price down to $9.89 to spark that second phase. We've now, since we've hit the third phase, which was the product web phase, and again, go watch that other video if you don't know what I'm talking about here. And now that we've hit that product web phase and we're getting more organic traffic and more organic reach, you can see that we're starting to put our price up. So $11, $12, $14, $11, $13, $14, and now we're up to $15, $16 up here. And you can see it hasn't impacted our bestseller rank at all. We're just becoming more and more profitable as we sell basically equal amounts of stress balls, thanks to the momentum that we've built. Now that's the key word right there, is momentum. Because in this Amazon Power Dip, what I want to show you is take you behind the scenes a little bit and show you this concept, which is critical that you understand in order for you to build momentum, sales momentum specifically on your product. So to represent this idea, I want to come over and obviously use our example of stress ball. You can see we're up here at the top. This is an ad, of course. We're not actually ranked number 1. We're actually ranked all the way on the second page, which is kind of cool because we're doing really well sales-wise, but we've got a lot of room to grow still. Which is awesome. So that was another one of our ads. Sponsored means ad. This one down here obviously is not sponsored. This is our organic position in the search results when someone types stress ball, which is our main keyword. And you can see we're in the middle of the second page. Now, what is, a question for you, what is the difference between, apart from being well optimized on the page, what is the difference between these people on this first page, ranked on the very first page for the keyword, and the people on basically like the third page for this keyword? So if everyone was equally optimized on their listing, what would the difference be? Now, I've already told you what the difference is, because that's the word we'll talk about before. It's momentum. It's sales momentum. If we were to jungle scout this page and see their bestseller rank, which shows you basically their revenue at the same time, you'll be able to see that on the first page, the bestseller ranks are really low. You can see they're in the low and high hundreds, which is incredible. And Serenolite, which is one of our biggest competitors, if not our biggest competitor, is ranked 1,000, which is an amazing bestseller rank. Anything under 10 and 5,000, you're going to be making good money. You can see this here. If we go over to the third page and we jungle scout the third page, you'll notice a ridiculous difference in the bestseller rank and the sales momentum. These products don't have the sales momentum of the products on the first page, because Amazon want to display the best-selling products early, because they know the better the selling product, the more popular they are, the more people are liking them, and basically the better product it is. So in order to get on this first page with these big dogs who are running the niche right now, and again, this is all applicable in whatever niche that you're in, we need to fake it until we make it. And that's where this power dip comes in. We need to fake our sales momentum to trick Amazon into thinking that we're better selling than we are. Because the better selling we are, the more Amazon are going to promote us organically. So if we can have Amazon think that we're really, really good, we're really, really popular product already, Amazon is going to start promoting us more, and it's going to become a self-fulfilling prophecy. So in order to get up on this first page, in order to take that next leap for us, for 2,000 sales rank into the 1,000 sales rank, which is a huge jump, it's an exponential jump, we're going to have to match the momentum of the people who are already doing it. So that is, I hope that makes sense. Let me clarify that one more time before I move on, because it's a very important concept. In order to rank up here and become one of the best sellers in your niche, you need to have the sales momentum behind you. So you need to do the marketing and the investing in your own product to fake that sales momentum, which means it's not fake sales momentum, it's actual sales momentum, but it's fake in the sense that people aren't organically going and buying your product in hordes, but you're basically making sure there's a lot of people going and buying your product, which comes in a lot of different marketing ways. We break all of the marketing ways down specifically. I don't want to really focus on them in this video, so get the free training in the description where we go through these marketing methods with you and how you can stimulate these sales really early on and not depend on the organic traffic, because the organic traffic is going to be much slower than if you're investing your money and your time into promoting your product. So when you invest money and time into promoting your product, it's going to cost you in the short term, and this is the power dip. The last 2 weeks, we actually paid Amazon $1,631.27 worth of ads. So we took a net negative of $1,600 a loss over the last 2 weeks. This is critical, because if we're not investing in this product and we're not marketing our product in this way, and again, if you have a low budget, you don't have to just invest money, you can invest more time and get more people to buy your product through you going out and working harder instead of just throwing money at it like a lot of people prefer to do. So we've sort of done a balance. We've worked at it and we've put a little bit of money into it. And it's cost us $1,631 in order to get that first initial sales momentum jump. And if I wanted to show you exactly, because I want to make this really clear so it's really easy for you to replicate and have the same success with your product. So over the last 2 weeks, where is our little keeper graph? Over the last 2 weeks here, so September 8th, over here basically, this last 2 weeks, this cost us $1,600 to maintain this rank just in ads. And what happened is, because when we paid to maintain this rank, our product web then clicked in, because Amazon's like, cool, that product is popular, a lot of people are buying it. Our product web clicks in, and all of a sudden we jump in the sales rank. And now we're fighting to maintain this rank, but luckily, because the product web is so strong, it's getting a lot more organic, and it's allowing us to put our price up and become more and more profitable as we still gain momentum. So that's where we are now. So the last 2 weeks, so 2 weeks earlier, sorry, so 2 weeks before 2 weeks ago, it cost us $1,600. Over the last two weeks, we actually had a net positive ROI since we started putting our price up, decreasing the ad bids, which again, all these phases are, it's so easy to brush over them here, but it's all in the training in the description or in the Amazon Secrets course. If you have that, you have no problem doing these marketing techniques. So we now flipped into a profit, but again, we're at a net negative because we're still down $1,600. Over the next 2 weeks, however, because we've put in this power dip, we put in this work and this fake momentum, and Amazon are now taking over, and that snowball is getting bigger and bigger, we're going to get paid out, we're projected to get paid out $4,000 for the next 2 weeks, which will be $8,000 revenue per month, but we're aiming for $10,000 profit a month. So I don't know exactly what month this is. We're getting restocked now, but in about 4 months, I reckon, we'll be have that momentum built up enough where we're bringing in about $18,000 to $20,000 of revenue and $10,000 of profit a month, but only because we have faked it, and only because we've taken this dip of profit. And a lot of people launch their product and they're like, cool, how much do I make in the first 30 days? If you think this short term, and you're trying to get profitable on every single product you sell, and your competitor's thinking long term, and they're like, cool, we're going to take a little bit of a loss and we're going to work really hard and invest in ourselves, invest in our product, so that in 3 months time this product is doing $10,000 of profit a month, they're going to beat you every time, because they're going to invest more in their sales momentum. They're going to have a higher sales momentum because you're focusing on profiting on every single sale you make, and you're not thinking of how the total amount of sales I can get through as a priority, and they're going to have that top rank. They're going to get all those organic sales, and they're going to skyrocket like this. So I want to update you in about 2 weeks once we get our first $4,000 check from Amazon, and then I'll obviously keep you updated and show you how this power dip really has a small investment of $1,600 has then gone on to build us a business of 5 figures a month of profit. It's a very crucial mindset to have, so I do hope that you understand this. If you have any questions, let me know. The last important point that I really want to mention and really want to make sure that you understand is this is the same concept in every niche. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, but the more competitive your niche is, the more dip you're going to have to take. And the less competitive, the less dip you're going to have to take, but obviously the lower upside. So it's very much a balancing act of what your budget is, what the time you have to invest, and your marketing skills, which again is all in this course and all in that training in the description. So make sure you get that. It's completely free, the training in the description at least. The course is not free, but it gets great results. So either grab the free training or grab the course and take the next steps, and then use these marketing techniques to launch your product to the top. So hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.